Hello everyone, welcome to Chinese Grammar Simplified. Recently my friend Leo told me that he was planning a birthday party for his mother. As he was telling me what he wanted to do in Chinese, several mistakes came up. That made me realize that Leo has a misunderstanding of the word 给 in Chinese, and it will be helpful to clear that up for him and everyone. Today, in the next 5 minutes, let's explore the mystery of 给 beyond the meaning of to give. As a verb, 给 can be translated as to give. We see it in sentences like I gave mom a present or 我给妈妈一个礼物. I gave mom a surprise or 我给妈妈一个惊喜. The way we use 给 in these sentences is essentially the same as how you would use to give in English. However, what many students seem to often forget is that 给 can also serve as a preposition word. For example, when we see the Chinese sentence 我给妈妈打电话, most people would translate it to I give mom a call. While this translation is correct in relation to the meaning, it does not accurately represent the function of the word 给 in the sentence structure. The real verb here is 打, which means to dial or to hit. 给 here as a preposition word actually means to or for, not to give. So the actual word-for-word translation is I to mom dial the phone. It is awkward to look at this sentence that way for English speakers, but it is important to see how the Chinese language actually organized the ideas here. When you want to express do something for someone or do something to someone in Chinese, we will actually move the for someone or to someone before the verbs and construct the order as for someone do something or to someone do something. So if I want to say I cooked a meal for mom, in Chinese it would be I for mom cooked a meal or 我给妈妈做了一顿饭. If I want to say I bought a book for mom, in Chinese it would be I for mom bought a book. 我给妈妈买了一本书. If we try to translate both 给 here as to give, the sentence would hardly make sense in English. But how can we tell for sure if 给 should be understood as a verb to give or a preposition word to or for when we are reading a Chinese sentence? The key here is to see if there is another verb in the sentence coming after the 给 someone phrase. If you can find another verb-object compound like 做饭, 买书, or 打电话 coming after, it is more likely you should interpret 给 as the conjunction to or for. Besides 给, there are several other common Chinese words that can be used as conjunction to or for. Among them, two of my favorites are 为 or 为了 as the equivalent of the English word for or for the sake of, and 对 as the equivalent of the English word to. For example, 我为妈妈做饭 means I, for mom, cook food. Or I cook food for mom. 我对她说生日快乐 means I to her said happy birthday. Or I said to her happy birthday. For all language students, your first language often subconsciously affects the way you organize your thoughts when you are building sentences. So when you are learning a second language like Chinese, be mindful about the differences in the sentence structures when you are studying. In English, it is common to have phrases following the structure of verb, someone, object. For example, buy her a gift, write her a letter, send her a text, sing her a song. But in Chinese, most of the time you cannot organize sentences like that. Instead, we want to change the structure from verb, someone, object to for or to someone, verb, object. It is odd for Chinese people to hear 买她一个礼物, 写她一封信, 发她一条短信, 唱她一首歌. The correct way to say them are 给她买一个礼物, 给她写一封信, 给她发一条短信, 给她唱一首歌. As always, to help you practice, please take a look at the following English sentences and think about how you would say them in Chinese. You can find the answers on my website. If you have any questions about any Chinese grammar point that confuses you, please leave a comment below. For customized Chinese lessons, please reach me at TwinCitiesChineseTutor.us. Thank you for watching.